Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC cars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Aalo 1/18 scale RC car, a strong contender in the mid-range price category. This RC truck is equipped with an aluminum alloy chassis, ensuring a durable design that can withstand heavy impacts in the toughest terrains. The reinforced chassis boosts its durability by up to 50% compared to typical models. It's also waterproof, which is perfect for running in wet or muddy conditions. In terms of performance, the Aalo RC car can hit speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest options in this category. Its rugged chassis components, including steel differential outdrives and metal gearbox internals, provide a reliable and smooth driving experience. The multi-terrain tires and raised chassis handle grass, gravel, sand, and rocky surfaces effortlessly. However, this model is more suited for advanced users due to its high-speed capabilities and responsive controls. While it offers excellent performance and durability, there are some minor drawbacks. The included battery doesn't have the longest runtime, so you might need to purchase extras for extended play sessions. Overall, this is a great choice for anyone seeking a fast, durable, and all-terrain RC car at a reasonable price. At number 4, we have the Blue Jay remote control car, our budget pick, priced at just $59.99. This RC car is perfect for beginners and younger drivers, offering a solid introduction to the world of RC vehicles without breaking the bank. Despite its budget-friendly price, it boasts a sturdy ABS plastic chassis with an aluminum alloy frame for added impact resistance. The LED headlights and chassis lights make it an excellent choice for nighttime drives. Performance-wise, the Blue Jay RC car can reach speeds of up to 33 kilometers per hour, powered by a reliable RC380 motor. It comes with 2 rechargeable Li-ion batteries, providing a total runtime of up to 70 minutes, which is impressive at this price point. The 2.4 GHz remote controller ensures responsive handling within a 50-meter range. Although its control distance is shorter compared to higher-end models, it's ideal for light off-road terrain, such as grass and gravel. While it doesn't have the extreme speed or durability of premium models, the Blue Jay RC car offers great value for casual users, kids, and beginners. If you're looking for a fun and affordable RC truck for family-friendly play, this is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Highboxing 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 1859. This model is perfect for those seeking a balance between affordability and performance. With a top speed of 36 kilometers per hour, powered by a brushed RC380 motor, this 4-wheel drive RC truck delivers a thrilling experience for drivers of all skill levels. Its hobby-class design includes ball bearings, a solid gear differential, and independent suspension for smooth handling and durability. Design-wise, the Highboxing RC car boasts a flexible and solid PVC body paired with high-grip, knobby off-road tires, making it suitable for various terrains like gravel roads, grass, and concrete. It's also splash waterproof, so rainy days won't stop you from enjoying your adventures. With 2 LiPo batteries included, you get up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is decent for its price. The 2.4 GHz proportional radio control system offers a stable control range within 280 feet. While it doesn't have the extreme speed or advanced features of higher-priced models, the Highboxing RC car is a reliable and fun choice for anyone looking for a durable and versatile vehicle without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Kitsia 114 all-terrain RC car, an excellent choice for speed enthusiasts and off-road adventurers alike. This RC truck features a powerful RC390 motor, capable of reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest in its price range. Its progressive speed adjustment allows for precision control, catering to both beginners and experienced drivers. The Kitsia RC car is built for rugged terrain, featuring metal shock absorbers, an upgraded PVC body, and large wear-resistant tires that handle mud, snow, sand, grass, and uneven roads with ease. It comes with two 2,000 mAh Li-ion batteries, providing a combined runtime of up to 60 minutes, which is excellent for extended play sessions. The 2.4 GHz remote control has a range of 850 feet, ensuring reliable communication even during high-speed runs. While it's slightly pricier than some other models, the Kitsia RC car delivers exceptional speed, durability, and control, making it ideal for anyone looking to take their RC experience to the next level. Whether you're racing on dirt tracks or tackling tricky trails, this car won't disappoint. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hypergo 1420 H14BM V3 brushless RC car, the ultimate premium choice for serious RC enthusiasts. With a jaw-dropping top speed of 50 miles per hour, powered by a brushless 4,400 kV motor, this RC truck is built for extreme speed, bashing, and performance. The upgraded steel differential and powder metallurgy transmission gears enhance durability, while the aluminum alloy chassis ensures maximum strength during high-speed runs. This RC car is designed to tackle all terrains effortlessly, from snow and sand to gravel and mud. The oil-filled shocks and pre-mounted sponge-inserted tires provide exceptional stability and control, even on uneven surfaces. Additionally, the 3-channel 2.4 GHz transmitter offers a control range of over 300 feet, with throttle limits adjustable for beginners. The included 3S battery unlocks the car's full speed potential, making it a beast on the track. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Hypergo RC car delivers unmatched speed, durability, and versatility. It's perfect for advanced users looking for a high-performance RC vehicle that can handle extreme conditions and competitive racing. If you're ready to invest in the best, this is the RC car for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.